Hello, my name is Madeline. Integration by substitution, or the reverse chain rule, can be performed in ways specific to the type of function, but I'm going to use general rules that can be applied to every function. Although integration by substitution is applicable in other functions, the radical, trigonometric, and natural log are most commonly used in this concept. The first step in finding the integral of any function by substitution is identifying u. Just as in the chain rule, u is in the inner function. It's the innermost variable. Ideally, u will have its derivative in the function, where there are multiple variables which could act as u. Find the derivatives of each in hopes that one will match another variable. When u's derivative is not already in the function, it can be multiplied. Scalars are then necessary to keep the integral equal. The scalar is the inverse of u's derivative, and it's multiplied from outside the integral. If another variable in the function is a multiple or factor of u, it can be manipulated using scalars to act as du over dx. Regardless of whether the function already had u's inverse or u's inverse and scalar were added to the function, the objective is to combine dx and du over dx to attain du, which is lost in integration. The function which encompasses du and du must be integrated as it would normally. Then the value that the letter u represented can be replaced. In a radical function like this, it is best to simplify the numerator by multiplying any constant from outside the integral so the numerator equals 1. Apply the reverse power rule used in basic integration. Distributing the constant is optional. Remember to add the constant c and replace u's value. My answer is 2 and the square root of x plus c because u is under a square root, but any root would work. The last example is a natural log function. The antiderivative of the natural log of u is 1 divided by u. If there are exponents, addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication involved, you must use the natural log rules. Otherwise, the answer is 1 divided by x plus. Bye, and